The BJP government told the Supreme Court that the people of India, which means everybody on the panel and your viewers, don't have a right to know who funds political parties. It's been told to the Supreme Court of India, ये कौन निर्लज है, कौन बेशरम है, कौन देश को बेच रहा है, वो इसी बयान से मालूम हो जाता है. क्या ये कैसी सरकार है जो कहती है कि भारत की आवाम को कोई हक नहीं कि वो जाने कि पॉलिटिकल पार्टी को पैसे कौन देते हैं. यू टॉक ऑफ इंटेंट, मंशा. भाजपा का तो पूरा पर्दाफाश इसी में हो गया. आज टुडे द सुप्रीम कोर्ट हैज कॉल्ड इट अनकॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल. मतलब पिछले 6 साल से मोदी सरकार एक गैर कानूनी कानून के कारण लोगों से पैसे ली है और क्या किया है उसके साथ, उसका तो अभी पर्दाफाश मार्च के पहले हफ्ते में हो जाएगा. उसे कोई बच नहीं पाएगा. तीसरी बात, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, वेयर इज द रियल करप्शन, पद्मजा? The electoral bond, they removed the cap. Earlier, there was a cap as to how much a company can donate to a political party. Narendra Modi's government removed the cap. And that was why the RBI said, this has now become a case for money laundering, because I can create a shell company, put black money into it, and then give unlimited amount of money in thousands of crores to one political party, which is why this has become an issue of black money being converted into electoral bond, and the investigations will prove it. Point number 3, very mysteriously, foreign companies were allowed to come in. These were all developments that are linked. And by the way, Padmaja, ask yourself a question. Why are you trying to protect companies from not even disclosing the name of the party in their annual reports? They were doing it earlier. Why not now? I can tell you one thing, Padmaja. The Supreme Court has saved India's democracy because the political funding is the source of the corruption in the country. And Narendra Modi and the finance minister, if they were in any other democracy, one of them would have to resign today. Indian politics has become so absolutely pathetic that we are not even talking of resignations. Basically, the Supreme Court has said this government did something illegal on a matter which is related to the future of India's democracy. And you had a panelist here who's talking about, ये तो electoral reform hai.
Okay, so you say that the government should tender its resignation because they have done something illegal. So everyone who took electoral bonds has partaken in the illegality, so should all of them resign?
If they have received illegal funds, yes. If they have, yes. Therefore, the truth will be out. We will get to know tomorrow if I know several companies who have funded the Modi government. Today,
maybe those companies have funded the Congress government also. Who knows?
All these companies are going to go to bed tonight sweating.
Sir, I think those who have given money to the other parties will be sweating more.
Well, if they have received benefits from the party, yes. But tomorrow, Padmaja, this is the important point. If a particular company has funded the BJP, tomorrow we will all get to know what are the contracts and the favoritism and the nepotism done by the Modi government. If that is established, which will be, because the funding will prove it, then we have the biggest scam since 1947 staring us in the face. We have to congratulate the Supreme Court.
We should actually be asking, instead of dabbling in data, asking for resignations, because at the end of the day, Supreme Court was clear. It's unconstitutional, and who brought it in? The Modi government.
No, I mean, electoral bonds were meant to be anonymous from the day one. I mean, why it took 6 years for them to realize that it was unconstitutional? I don't know one thing. And secondly, everyone, सब लिए हैं. कोई किसी ने 80% लिया है, किसी ने 90% लिया है, किसी ने 95% तक लिया है. सब ने लिया इलेक्टोरल बॉन्ड. सब कोई बोलते थे कि इलेक्टोरल बॉन्ड गलत है, हमें नहीं करना है, और सब बाद में उनका जब रिपोर्ट आता है तो सबने लिया है. अगर क्या बोलोगे अगर अडानी, सपोज कीजिए आप अडानी चिल्लाते हैं और पता चले अडानी जी ने ही कांग्रेस को डोनेशन दिया, तो कहां भागोगे आप? You need to understand one thing, what you are going to do then. And okay, secondly,
let him answer that. Sanjay,
it needs to also replace...
Because Mr. Pugal Gandhi, sorry, not Mr. Rahul Gandhi, has said unequivocally, we haven't taken. When that list comes out on 13th of March, we haven't taken. Sanjay Jha, the challenge is now to you from Rishi Bagri. What if the same companies, all the names being taken, Ambani, Adani, Tata, Birla, what if they have given to BJP also and they have given to Congress also? Then will it be good paisa here and bad paisa there?
Let me tell you, corporates, I've been part of the corporate sector, I still am. Corporates will fund all political parties in different amounts based on their own assessment. The
ये तो आप
question
पलट गए,
is,
संजय झा.
Padmaja, you're not
After so
listening
much
to me.
righteous
You're not
outrage.
listening to me. The question is, which political party has handed out the favors?
How
and
will
when
we
that
know?
is proven, it is game over for BJP. I'm telling you today,
okay,
people within the
hypothetically
BJP will not sleep very well
speaking,
tonight.
if we see tomorrow that Mr. Adani has given to Congress, will we blame it on the Telangana MOU?
Well, has the airports been given to Mr. Adani by the Congress?
MOUs have been given worth 40,000
crores. The answer is no. Who has
MOUs
given
have
the
been given. A
airports?
port
Who
has been
the
given in
ports?
Kerala.
Who has given the land?
By the left
the real
of all
issues
people.
will come up now.
Land has been given in Chhattisgarh by the Congress government.
दूध का दूध, पानी का पानी हो जाएगा कुछ हफ्तों में. इंतजार
दूध में पानी ज्यादा ना हो जाए. दूध का पानी तो पता नहीं. दूध का पानी ज्यादा ना हो जाए.
भाजपा के खेल में
कई लोगों को पानी होना पड़ेगा.
सुनिए, भाजपा के खेल में सब कुछ काला है. ये काला धन का ही खेल है. उसका पूरा अब पर्दाफाश और भंडाफोड़ होने वाला है.
सर, ये इलेक्टोरल बॉन्ड्स के बाद किसी पार्टी को सजाए काला पानी हो जाएगा इलेक्टोरली. Anyhow, Rishi Bagri wants to react. Too much wordplay.
No, I just want to say, I mean, they say कि ये काला धन है, इसको convert कर रहे हैं. Do they even know कि electoral bond is been issued by check or by RTGS by a person who have a legitimate bank account which is a KYC compliant? KYC कितना difficult होता है? Please संजय जी मुझे बोलने दीजिए. I mean, मैंने आपके बीच में interrupt नहीं किया संजय जी. Please, I mean, this must courtesy. The electoral bonds जो issue होती है वो स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया से issue होती है और आपको चेक या आरटीजीएस देना पड़ता है.